Okay, EDC pocket dump. Let's see, here we go here. Got my flashlight. Got my iPod. I have my iFat and the Altoids pen. Carmex. Have a stun gun. It's got a little light on it. I have a mini Winchester multi-tool. My Kershaw Select Fire multi-tool. Bits, bottle opener. Let's see here. Cigarettes and lighter. Wallet. And I have a comb back there. I'm sure you guys know what a comb looks like. And that's it. My phone, which I'm using to make the video, is the LG Optimus, something like that. This has been Incredible Cheaper. Catch you guys on the flip side.